All right, what's up, guys? It's Algebra U.2. So we're doing system of equations by graphing. So to solve a system of equations by graphing, first graph the equations, then type the solution. So something that's going to help you here is we're taking these equations, and so we have y, So we got y equals x plus 3. We're going to take these equations, and we're going to label the y-intercept and the slope. So the y-intercept of my first one is 3. So I know I'm going to plot this point at 3. And my slope is just 1. An invisible number in front of x is always 1. So 1 over 1. So up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay. And that's going to be that line there. All right. Now my next one is y equals 2x. So we'll change that here. So y equals 2x. And you can always add plus 0 there. Okay. Which means that my y-intercept is 0. So our y is 0, and my m is 2 over 1. So we're going to go up 2 over 1, up 2, 1, 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and graph. Okay? So that's the easiest way to graph that. Now, with this, you're going to have to click on the equation that you want to graph. So our y equals x plus 3. If I click on y equals x plus 3, I'm going to plot the y-intercept first, which is 3. And I know I'm going to go up 1 over 1, plot another point, and it'll graph it for you. Then click on the y equals 2x. I know my slope intercept is 0, so I'll click at 0, and I'm going to go up 2 over 1, and it'll graph it for us. So let's graph those two, and now you have to determine the solution, which is right here where they intersect. So where those two lines intersect is at 3, 6. So it's going to be 3, 6. Submit. Good work. So we did good there. All right. So let's look at another one. Again, if you want to label, it's probably an easy way to do that. So for this equation, my y-intercept is 4. Slope is negative 2 over 1. And for this one, y-intercept is 1. Slope is negative 1 over 1. So that's a negative in front of that x. All right. So when I graph this, 2x plus 4. If I click on it, I know my y-intercept is 4, and it's negative 2x, so it's down 2 over 1, which would be here. Click on the next one. My y-intercept is 1, and my slope is negative 1 over 1, so down 1 over 1, graphs it for us. My solution, again, is right here where they intersect. So our solution is going to be 3, negative 2. Boom.